Tip number 3. What is the difference between the fit and transform methods? Fit is when the transformer learns something about the data. Transform is when it uses what it learns to do the data transformation. Okay, so in scikit-learn, you're going to use fit and transform a lot. Sometimes you'll be using it explicitly, meaning you're going to be running the fit and transform methods. Sometimes scikit-learn is going to be doing it on your behalf under the hood. It's easy to treat fit and transform as a black box, but you will be much more effective in using scikit-learn and reading the documentation and learning new features if you actually understand what fit and transform are and why they are different. Now, I do want to say that this only applies to transformer objects because models do not have a transform method, only a fit method, but transformer objects, which are ones that do data transformations, have a fit and a transform. Okay, so in summary, fit learns something about data, and transform is when it uses what it learns. Now, I've got 4 examples of that, of what fit does versus transform in that particular case. If you're not familiar with these, I can't teach them briefly. I could spend an hour on each of these to get you really familiar. The point of the examples is if you happen to be already familiar with one or more of these. Probably the simplest example of the 4 to understand without any background knowledge is simple imputer. Simple imputer is for imputing missing values, meaning filling in missing values. We saw this back in tip number 1. So what happens with simple imputer? Well, fit step is when it learns the value to impute. So it learns that the mean of the column is 31.2 or whatever it was. And transform is it when it uses that value to fill in the mean. Okay? So the fit step is when it learns the value it's going to fill in, and the transform step is when it actually fills in the value. So you might ask, why are fit and transform separate methods? Couldn't it do it all at once? Shouldn't it do it all at once? And that's a great question, which is answered by tip number 4.